Hi guys, today we are going to make a very special tea for each constitution that's going to help us reduce the excess of each dosha and restore our health. We are going to start with Vata dosha tea. For this one we are using fresh ginger, cardamom and sweet cinnamon. And we are using the principle of opposites create balance, so we can reduce the excess of the dry and the rough qualities, also the light, cold, subtle and mobile attributes that often characterize Vata dosha. We are trying to increase the heat a little bit and to increase that sweetness that Vata needs with that sweet cinnamon. This tea is delicious and you can drink it throughout the day. It's a little bit pungent and sweet. For Pitta dosha tea, we're using fresh cilantro, rose petals, fennel and cumin seeds. We're trying to reduce the light, sharp, hot and oily qualities that are present in an aggravated Pitta dosha. So if you're suffering from excess sweat, burning sensation in your eyes, in your skin, some acne, agitation, teeth sensitivity, strong anger, then this is a tea that you can drink also throughout the day. That is very calming, it's very soothing, and it's cooling because of the cilantro and sweet because of the rose petals. And those are the attributes we wanna increase within ourselves. For Kapha dosha tea, we're using cloves, fenugreek, dill, cinnamon, pink pepper, and dry ginger. And that's because Kapha dosha tends to be dense, heavy, slow, sluggish, and dense. So we are using these spices as a way to stimulate a Kapha body. And the qualities that are opposite to Kapha are predominantly warm, dry, light, and active. Again, opposites create balance, and that's why we are using those spices, because they are quite different to what Kapha is characterized for. And this is pink pepper. I've been recently adding to my cooking pink pepper, and I love it. My husband loves it too. He's Kapha dosha dominant, and it's been great for him. So these are the 3 teas. I hope you like them. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.